everybody, so I have a new printable download in the shop. I took a little break from planners. I couldn't do my Hulk planner or redo it because I didn't have material for it, but eventually I'm going to go to Walmart and see if I can get one that has like more Hulk in the material, in the fabric, so that I could redo that and then see what other fabrics they have there, and then I'll probably go back to making some planners. Anyway, I just took a little break. And one morning when I got up super early, I started doodling, and I think I showed you my little doodles, and then I couldn't stop, so I actually finished it today. It's a small kit, but it's really cute, and I'm going to show you what it looks like printed. Now, FYI, of course, all printers and all screens are not equal, so colors might look different than what you're either seeing on the screen or what you actually print out. You know, there's many ways to change the settings on your printers, so you know, look that up through Google if you don't know how. I don't do tutorials on how to do this kind of stuff as far as the technical part, like printings and things like that. But anyway, it's called Foodies, and you can see why, because I was doodling some little cute food characters here. And I printed it out. All of this is actually printed on just the regular, it's like a bright white printer paper, and I printed it with my laser. And then the card cutouts and die cuts I printed on cardstock, 110-pound weight cardstock. All the paper I get from Walmart. This particular one, I don't know what the brand is, but I got it through their website, not at the store, because I don't see that particular one at the store. But the cardstock you can actually get at the store. So anyway, let me just show you real quick. This is just a preview, and in the shop I have a few more previews in there. And with this one you're going to get JPEG files, PNGs, which means they are transparent backgrounds, and one silhouette cut file. So this right here is going to come, I think this one comes in 3 different ways, or 2 ways, let me think. It just comes as a JPEG, which is just a flat image. You just print it out and then cut it, and it's also going to come as a silhouette cut file, which will give you these cuts here with your silhouette. Okay, and I know that through your Cricut you can actually just take your JPEG files in there and then cut them through there. I don't have a Cricut, so I can't answer questions about the Cricut, but I do know that you can open JPEGs in there. Okay, so then the card cutout is just a JPEG. You just print it and cut it by hand. I'm gonna open my file here in case I forget anything. Okay. All right. So there'll be 6 on the card. Now, there's actually an off-white border around them, so you will like see it almost kind of grayish color, just because I had actually done it twice. I did it without the border, and it was just all one color, and I was like, you know, and they were all, you know, really close together, so I decided to give them a off-white border, only so you can see like the cut line. And I do like them with a border instead, and they all come together like you see here as one sheet. I'll show you those in a second. Just like these will come here as one sheet. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, the third version of these images are going to be in PNG form, so each one will be individual, and if you want to actually create your own designs with each one, you can. Now these files here, they are personal use only. You cannot sell them in any way. Okay, so and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 backgrounds, and these are JPEG, but you're also going to get them without the background in PNG form, so they're blank. That way you can either print it on your own colored paper or transparency, or what's that other stuff called? Vellum. I'm trying to think. or put it on something else in your computer, so it's just the images without any kind of color in the back. So they come JPEG, which will have these colors in the background, and these same ones will be blank background as a PNG. Alright, and then I think that is it. So let me just go ahead and show you. The first one here is all my characters together. Oh, my screen is gone. Hold on. Everybody's just out there with a really pretty light blue. So I had drawn taco, a burger, a couple of donuts, egg and bacon, a popsicle, sundae, a toast with butter. What else? What am I missing? Oh, the cotton candy. Oh, and a pizza slice. I think that's it. So I think I did a total of 14 images. I never did do the cherry on top of my sundae or my cupcake, but I just left it that way. I'm like, okay, I'm done with this. I was getting pains in my hand from all the drawing and all the computer work, and I'm like, you know what? It's still cute. We're going to leave it at that. So this one here has all the characters on one sheet, and then I did 3 more with just some of them. So this is the burgers and fries. You know, and it looks simple, like just scattering, but it's not, because everything has to be placed in just a way so that there's not too much blank space here or there, or they're not too close here and there. So it took me several tries and a lot of printing and, you know, looking at it and see how I like it. Yeah, so, and it's got a faint salmony pink background, almost peach. Again, you know, it's going to look different on the screens and on your printers. Then here we have both donuts together. They do have like little star sprinkles on them. It's very hard to see though. And this is just a light, like a baby blue sort of. Okay, we got that one. And my printer does a white border, but my other printer, which is a inkjet, I can actually print without that white border if I wanted to. And you could shrink these down like half the size. This is the layout that it is, but I mean, you can always, they're all in different directions, so you can do it in any direction. Here's the egg and bacon. Eggs and bacon, eggs and bacon. There's a song that I swear she's saying eggs and bacon. But anyway, and the background is kind of a tan or very pale peach color. They all have like little bit of a pink cheek a little bit. So really cute. I had fun drawing these images. So we have those 4. And again, these are also with the transparent background. And then we have the cards, which come on one sheet, and like I said, the border is actually an off-white, and I don't know if you can tell between this white and this white. Maybe if I put it here, you can barely see it, but it's just an off-white, just so that you can cut a border if you want to. These are meant to be 3x4s, but my printer shrinks it down a little bit, just a little bit. Alright, so here we have Don't Ever Give Up, Let's Be Frank, I love this guy, Exercise, I thought you said extra fries, you know, we've heard those before, Let's Talk About How Awesome I Am, You Can't Buy Happiness, but You Can Buy Cupcakes, and then lastly, Don't Go Breaking My Heart, I Couldn't If I Tried, I don't know how to say that, If I Fried, I'm sorry. I'm not good with singing, but those are the 6 cards, and again, I did these on the cardstock. And then lastly, the die cuts, and you could shrink these down in your silhouette. Well, whatever way you open it, you can shrink these down, because again, it comes in silhouette cut file, all in one sheet. It also will come as a JPEG, all in one sheet, and then they also are individual images without any background at all. So if you want to do 20 of these, you can. I said you can't, it's personal use, but you are allowed to make projects, you know, and gift them if you like, but it has to be finished projects. So, and this is not just planner, you can scrap with this if you want to. Anyway, here's the fry box and the taco. So cute. The cotton candy. The cute little pizza slice. The bacon. The hot dog. Cupcake. One of the donuts. The toast with butter. The sundae. The popsicle. The burger, and it does have sesame seeds. The other donut, and then the bacon. Of course, these guys go together. Again, you can size these up or down, turn them into stickers, turn them into die cuts, put them on if you want to just do a whole paper with just donuts on the whole thing, you could do that. So there you go. This is in the shop right now. The link to this is in my shop. It is a printable download, so it's something that it's not physical. Once you buy it, you have to make sure you get that file within 7 days, because Zibbet will delete that link, or delete it, and you won't be able to get it, and then you're going to have to contact me so I can send it to you. But preferably get it within 7 days. Once you've purchased it, it will go to the email that Zibbet has on file for you. A lot of people I get sometimes that they didn't get their file, but that's because they have some other email address through Zibbet. So make sure that all that information when you shop there is correct, so that you get your file. And I guess that is it. So thank you all for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye now.